I had to come out of that worksheet to answer, ma'am.
Come
I
out
can
of
start
that.
it.
You just open that chat box. In that, the link will be given.
Yes, ma'am. We opened that, ma'am.
Yeah, you need not come out of the session.
Okay, ma'am.
You can continue with that itself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it open? Everyone, is it open for everyone? Is it open for everyone? Ma'am, we have headset, ma'am. Janvi, yes, all of you are doing your worksheet, or shall we start with Kids Anthem? Everyone? Yes, we'll start with Kids Anthem. Janvi, we'll start with Kids Anthem. Okay, ma'am? Okay, 1 minute. All of you stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes, everyone. Ready? Vijit, ready? Me, you are infinite, you are unique, my potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, open your eyes, children. Good morning. Good morning, Danvin, Vidyut, Kartikeyan, Darshika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone. Good morning. We'll finish off attendance also. First is Darshika. Darshika.
நீ டி எழுதினா பண்ணி எங்க செய்திருக்கணும் நீங்க எங்க எழுதி டி டிஎஃப் கரெக்டா எழுதி
Darshika, tell me your attendance, ma. Good morning, ma'am. Darshika.
பரே
Tell me your attendance, Darshika.
குட் மார்னிங் மேம் பரே
Good morning.
அம்மா சோடிக்க வெண்ணெய் தட்டு குப்பட்டத்தில் கலை
சரி நீ இப்போ குட் மார்னிங் பரே
Who's that? Vidyut, mute yourself, ma. Darshika, tell me your attendance, Darshika. Okay, I'm marking you, Darshika. Danvin. Okay, Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Okay. Darshika, will you tell me your attendance now? Darshika, tell me your attendance now. My name is Darshika.
My name is Darshika sir.
My name is Rashka Junior KG.
Very good, Darshika. Okay, next is Dikshan.
My name is Dikshan. I'm in Sanjan Junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Parnas. Parnas. Parnas is here. Hashni. Hashni is also not there. Janavi.
My name is Janavi Junior KG. Good morning, Vanilla Ma. Good morning, Mama. My
Kartikeyan.
name is Janavi Junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me your attendance. Tell me, Kavyani.
Okay. Hi, Ramanila ma'am. My name is Kavi and I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good. Nightek. Nightek. Nightek is not here. Nightek. Nightek. Ukshita. Ukshita. Why so many activities today? Pranita.
Good morning, Maria ma. I am Pranita. I am junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Ritvik.
Sorry.
Ritvik? Ritvik is not here. Rohita?
Ma'am. I'm Jana KG.
Good, Rohita. Okay, Siddharth. Siddharth is not here. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Good morning, Pari.
Good morning.
Pari,
I am studying with two.
it's on it.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vidyut. Vishal. Vishal. Ivan.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Vishal. Ivan. Very good. Ready? Ready? Satvika, mute yourself, Satvika. Ready? Ready, left turn. Okay, children, now you can open the link and you can attend the paper, okay? Open the link, it will be given in your chat box. Okay, just click the link. First link, Mama, this one. Come on, this one.
Good morning, Vedina ma'am.
Vedila ma'am, kindly tell it once, ma'am. It's not audible properly. Low voice is there.
சொல்லு பாப்பா குட் மார்னிங் மேம் சொல்லு மார்க் பண்ணு தேவரக்ஷிதா குட் மார்னிங் சொல்லு
Tell me your attendance, Devarakshita.
குட் மார்னிங் மேம் சே தேவரக்ஷிதா குட் மார்னிங் மேம்
Rescue.
Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. Mute
Good
yourself.
morning, ma'am. My name is DK Devarakshita,
My name is Naitik. I am
senior KG. I'm studying
You're a
senior
good girl,
KG.
right? Nightic. You're a good girl, right, Devarakshita? Come on, tell me your
Huh?
attendance.
சொல்லு
Come on. Good
My
girl.
name is DK Devarakshita. Louder சொல்லணும் My name is DK Devarakshita. பார்த்து சொல்லு மிஸ் பார்த்து சொல்லு சொல்லு பாப்பு DK Devarakshita. I'm studying in senior KG.
I'm studying in junior KG.
Sorry ma'am, so junior KG. சொல்லு பாப்பு
I'm studying in junior KG, not nursery. Okay, Devarakshita's mom, the link will be given in the chat box. You please log into that.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Okay. Ready? Good morning.
Ma'am, is it possible?
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good night. Ritvik.
Good morning.
Okay, others please mute yourself. Rohita, please mute yourself, Rohita. Okay. Now tell me, Ritvik. My name is Ritvik.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rajvi. I am studying in junior KG.
Someone named the praise there, they should really receive the link. Again, we have to copy and put in the chat. Okay. Come on. I'll keep it down.
Here. Here. Let me. Yes. You put paste. Here you put.
Right, you
No, here you put. Here.
Well, ma'am, I'm finished. Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell those who didn't get the link.
Yes.
Yeah, Priyadarshini AM, I think it's Kavyani.
Ma'am, can you send the link in WhatsApp group as well, ma'am?
Sorry? Sorry?
Can you send the link in WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
It's not working in the laptop.
We have sent in chat box, sir. You please check in the chat box.
No, it's
Yeah, Google
blocking.
Forms
Maybe
and just to
restricted.
check how clear the children are with their concept, alphabet, and math. We have given you the term
No,
one timetable also, right? This is just a trial.
no, again, ma'am. It's blocking. So I just asked if you can share it in WhatsApp. Some restrictions.
Others who else you did not receive the link, please let me know that. Vishan's father gave it to me. Again, I will paste it.
Thank you, ma'am. I got the link. Thanks.
Got the link? Okay, thank you. Others, everyone opened the link? Is everyone
Rohita
open?
finished, ma'am.
Yes?
Rohita finished, ma'am.
Rohita finished. I didn't ask anyone to start.
Finish.
Yes, I will guide them. Okay. Children, we'll start with the first question. Okay. Parents, you just click only the answer what they say. Okay. Please don't help them out. Okay. Type their name. And the first question is find the starting letter of the given image. What image is that, Devkrish? What image is that, Devkrish? What is this? What picture is this?
Mango.
Mango. Okay, mango starts with letter. You have to type the. You have to click the correct answer. Okay.
Mango.
Yes, click the correct answer, Madhav Krish. And then next is find the starting letter of the given image. It's a dinosaur. The dinosaur. You have to click the
Excuse
correct
me, ma'am.
alphabet. The dinosaur.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Dikshan's mom.
The name field, we can't enter the name, ma'am. In the
You're not
name.
able to enter the name.
Yes, ma'am.
Name not required, ma'am. Anyhow, you are going to take a snap and send me, no? So at that
Okay.
time, you type the name and send.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Tomorrow we'll send it with the option of typing the name. Okay. This is just a
Okay.
trial paper.
Okay.
While taking the screenshot, you take it and then below that you type the name and send it to me in group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Second one is we have finished with the dinosaur, right? What is the lowercase letter of Q? Small letter of Q. Here, capital Q is given, children. You have to choose the small letter Q. Okay, small letter Q. And fourth one, lowercase of H. Capital H is given. You have to choose small letter H. One, lowercase of R is given. You have to choose the small letter R. Capital letter R is given, choose the small letter R. Sixth one, how many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there, children? 4 colors, 7 colors, or 5 colors? Whichever is the right answer, click it. Okay? And then seventh one, how many fingers you have in 2 hands? 2 hands, how many fingers you have? Count your fingers and then you match it. One hand, you should not count. You have to count both the hands, how many fingers you have. And then you match and then you click the answer. Eighth one, count and find the number of objects given. Count the number of stars given here and then you click the correct answer. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you count it and then you click the correct answer. Ninth one, choose a vegetable which can be eaten raw without cooking. Which can you eat? First is cucumber, second is bitter gourd, and third is chili. Children, think and answer. First is cucumber. Second one is bitter gourd. It's very bitter. You can't eat it raw. And third one is chili. It's very spicy. That too you can't eat. So what the option will be? You yourself know that. Yes? Come on, do it. And then choose a fruit which has more seeds. Children, it's visible. You can see which fruit has more seeds. Inside the fruit, if you cut a fruit, you can see more seeds inside. What is it? What fruit is that? Choose the option and then you give submit. Okay? Is everyone finished? Finish, everyone.
Say it louder. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Devika, you finished? Nana, finished? Darshika, finished?
Yes.
You finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
she
very good.
doesn't know about the rainbow color, ma'am, but I had marked it. It's not able to submit if I'm not answering one.
You have to answer all the questions.
Okay.
No, silly.
Answer all the questions. Then only you can submit, or else you can't submit. Okay? Now can you submit?
Vanilla, ma'am, your voice is very low, Vanilla, ma'am. We couldn't able to hear.
What to do? Wait a minute, okay? Okay, children. Now, parents, please take a snap. And
Ma'am,
send
I
it to the-
submitted, but I couldn't write his name, ma'am.
You don't. No need to write his name. You just take a snap. What is that? Screenshot. And where they have to send it, ma'am? Chat box itself. There is a number given. Kidzi1395 and the mobile number is given. You please send it to that number.
Okay, ma'am.
After taking a screenshot, below that you type their name and send. Okay, Vivan's mom, you sent? Send to this number, Vivan's mom. It's given in the chat box.
Yeah, okay, madam.
To that number you send. Everyone to that number you please send. That. Zeddy? Zeddy, you finished? Zeddy finished?
Hello?
Yeah, tell me Zeddy's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
She finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send it to the number given in chat box. Tomorrow also you will get like this only. You will get a link. You will get a number also to which number you have to send. You send it to that number. Like this only we'll be doing it tomorrow also. Children, did you all match it on your own? Yes, Rohita, you did it on your own. Rohita? Yes, you did it on your own, Rohita?
I'm Dina, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Rohita. Vivan, how did you do? Vivan's mom, how Vivan did?
Ma'am.
You got wrong with it. You should tell the proof.
Vivan, you identified all the answers?
Yeah, all the questions are right. The question was wrong. He picked up chilies as a fruit which can be eaten raw.
Sorry?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Fruits that can be eaten raw, that he doesn't know.
Yeah. So that was
Yeah,
wrong.
all these questions are very clear, right? Bitter gourd, if you give them, they can't eat it raw, right? That's what I told them. bitter gourd is bitter, they can't eat it raw like that. It's to say, then only they'll answer.
Yeah, but I did not explain, so he himself picked it up. That's why.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Darshika, did you finish, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Darshika. Okay, send your screenshot to this number. We'll check how many marks you all have got. Okay, any doubts in this, parents? Parents, any doubts in this? Yes, Ritvik. Did you finish, Ritvik? Danvin finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone finished, right? Ritvik also finished?
Yes,
Yes, very good. The same way tomorrow's question paper also will be. So you please log into the given link and you send it to the given number that has been posted in the chat box. Okay, parents? Okay, we are going to end the session today. Okay, children, thanks for your cooperation. Thank you, children, and bye. Bye, everyone.
ma'am.
Bye. Take your time, revise well.